It seems Elon Musk is preparing to detonate a thunderclap across the auto industry. The whispers, the rumors, the leaks, they're beginning to converge on a single undeniable reality. The Tesla Model 2 is coming, and it could arrive even before 2026. If the latest revelations are even close to accurate, what we're about to witness isn't just the launch of another car, it's the birth of a seismic shift in the electric vehicle world. A revolution priced at an earth-shattering $10,175. This isn't some futuristic sci-fi fantasy or marketing gimmick, it's a real car, with a real production timeline, and it's going to hit the market like a freight train. A hatchback body, compact and efficient, with styling that whispers modern minimalism while screaming innovation from every panel. This machine isn't just a car, it's Tesla's weapon of mass disruption. A global strike, perfectly timed, ruthlessly efficient, and aimed right at the heart of the legacy auto giants who thought they had more time. But time is up. Tesla's clock is ticking fast, and this might be the moment everything changes. Musk confirmed it himself. Mass production is now slated for early 2026, but the real masterstroke, a full reveal coming as early as September 2025. And that's no coincidence. September is the battlefield of auto shows, where the world's attention turns to shiny new promises. Tesla isn't just entering the ring, they're stealing the spotlight. The rollout strategy is razor-sharp. First, just 1,870 units in California, Tesla's stronghold, a testing ground packed with enthusiasts and early adopters. It's where EV culture runs deep and Tesla's reputation stands tallest. From there, the plan is global domination. The United States first, then China, home of over 60% of the world's EV sales, followed by Europe and Asia, Norway, Germany, France, nations where EVs aren't just niche anymore, they're mainstream, and Southeast Asia. It's going electric at a breakneck pace. Thailand, Vietnam, markets exploding with government support and sky-high fuel costs. The timing is no accident. Tesla is running to outpace its deadliest rival, BYD. The Chinese juggernaut is already flooding the streets with cheap EVs. Their $1 Siegel model, 200,000 units sold in a single year. That's a wake-up call, and Musk hears it loud and clear. Tesla knows the clock is ticking, and if they wait, they'll be left in the dust. Meanwhile, demand for EVs is hitting warp speed. In just 1 year, global EV sales soared over 40%, shattering records and showing no signs of slowing down. The world doesn't just want EVs, it wants affordable EVs, and Tesla intends to give it to them faster than anyone thought possible. But how? The answer lies in Tesla's manufacturing warfare. Enter the unboxed production process. It's not just a tweak, it's a total reimagining of how vehicles are built. Traditional automakers assemble a car piece by piece, slowly, sequentially. Tesla, they're building entire sections of the car in parallel, front, rear, battery, all going up at once like a machine symphony. This slashes development time by up to 30%, and Tesla's robotic army, hundreds of gigapress machines spread across the globe now, replaces dozens of welded parts with single monolithic castings. Fewer parts, fewer steps, faster build. Tesla isn't just building cars, they're rewriting the playbook. Their vertically integrated empire, batteries, software, chips, even hardwares, all under one roof. That control means faster timelines, better scalability, and less dependency on suppliers who drag their feet. In short, Tesla is playing chess while everyone else is stuck on checkers. But let's talk about the real shocker: the price. For years, the mythical $25,000 Tesla felt like vaporware, a dream people chuckle about. But Tesla just came out swinging. $10,175. Let that sink in. This isn't speculation, it's targeted reality. They're pulling it off with scale, automation, and brutal manufacturing efficiency. Gigafactories in Texas, Berlin, Shanghai, and now Mexico are pushing automation into overdrive. Every line is optimized, every second shaved. And then there's California's megafactory, a beast focused on both energy and vehicle production, acting as the backbone of Tesla's vertical operations. And they're not reinventing the wheel for every car. Model 2 borrows proven guts from the Model 3 and Model Y drive units. Battery systems, core software, all repurposed, streamlined, and made cheaper by skipping expensive development cycles. Now throw in government incentives. In the US, $7,500 in federal tax credits. In Europe, India, Southeast Asia, similar subsidies slash prices even further. And yes, the entry version will be no frills, but it's not a laser-focused engineering marvel stripped down to the essentials. Still, there's a snag. If the Model 2 is built in China, it faces a brutal 100% import tariff in the US, instantly turning a $10,000 EV into a $73,500 joke. Just look at the China-made Mustang Mach-E, crippled by the same tax. Tespa's answer: go local. Gigafactory Mexico will handle North America. Berlin covers Europe. India's next, and it'll likely feed Asia. It's a simple solution with powerful results. No tariffs, lower costs, faster delivery, and localized market agility. And don't even get started on how Tesla's building this beast. We're talking Gigapress 2.0 on, absolute monster that can stamp out entire front and rear body sections in one shot. Combine that with structural battery packs where the battery becomes part of the car's skeleton and you get fewer parts, stronger frames, and lower costs. At the core, Tesla's 4680 Gen 2 battery cells. They pack 5 times the energy, 16% more range, and 6 times the power of their predecessor, while being easier and cheaper to produce. But here's the kicker. The Model 2 isn't just advanced in manufacturing, it's tech forward in every inch. This isn't just cheap, it's smart. The design, compact hatchback, think Volkswagen Golf, think Honda Fit, ideal for tight city streets, crowded parking, and global megacities. Fold-flat rear seats create over 40 cubic feet of cargo space. And then there's camping mode, mobile app control, and body panels made from composite materials that are ultralight and dent-resistant. It's everything urban drivers dream of: small footprint, big utility, performance. This isn't some sluggish budget box. A range of 290 to 330 miles per charge, long-range variants, pushing 350. That's Model Y territory for a third of the price. Dual-motor AWD trims will scorch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.7 seconds, faster than most $40,000 gas sedans. The base version uses a 53 kWh 4680 Gen 2 battery-efficient stable, built for urban commutes. High-end trims get a 75 kWh pack, enough to conquer highways without breaking a sweat. Then there's charging lightning fast. Thanks to V for superchargers pushing 350 kilowatts, the Model 2 might juice up from 0 to full in just 15 minutes. That's grab a coffee on go speed. And if that weren't enough, it's packed with next-gen tech. Autopilot comes standard, adaptive cruise, lane keeping, full self-driving. $99 per month, with a 10-month purchase giving you 2 months free. No upfront $5,000 gouge like legacy brands. And Tesla's OTA updates. New features and improvements streamed straight to your car. No dealerships, no waiting. One recent update improved heated steering functionality even in manual climate mode. It's a tiny touch, but it shows Tesla's edge. Evolving hardware with pure software. That's the power of their system. And when you zoom out, when you really grasp what's coming, the Model 2 becomes more than a car. It's a wedge driven into the heart of the industry, a disruptor on par with the first iPhone. This is how empires fall. Remember Nokia? Exactly. Tesla isn't just launching a car, they're launching a new era. Those who can't adapt to this electric revolution will fade into irrelevance. Model 2, paired with full self-driving and the looming robotaxi future, might be Tesla's most audacious move yet. This is the storm before the transformation, the spark before the fire. If it launches globally between $10,000 and $15,000, the world will never be the same. So ask yourself, what pulls you in the most? The price, the range, the tech, or the design? No matter your answer, the verdict is clear. Tesla's Model 2 isn't just coming, it's coming to conquer. Buckle up, the road ahead is about to change forever.